It is high voltage current limiting fuse links are designed to protect devices in switchgears and other equipment like distribution transformers, power capacitors and MV motors from thermal and dynamic effects of short circuits and overcurrents. With the help of our fuse spline software, you can calculate a HV fuse link appropriate for the transformer and switchgear in your system. First, fill out the technical data of the transformer. Enter the rated voltage of the transformer, its power, the inrush time, relative short circuit voltage, and the factor inrush. Next, select the switchgear from your system. If the needed switchgear is not available under predefined options, you can fill the data in manually. Now you can pre-select the HV fuse link according to previously selected data. The range of the voltage of the HV fuse link correlates with the rated voltage of the transformer and the used switchgear. The appropriate HV fuse link can then be automatically calculated by ticking automatically besides the calculation button. The fuse spline software will calculate the nominal current and determine the ET product code number. Also, it can draw out a time current characteristic. Incorrectly installed fuse links, or installed fuse link with a wrongly calculated nominal current, can pose safety hazards. If a fuse blows due to incorrect installation, it might lead to sparks, arcs, or even fires, depending on the specific circumstances. This can endanger both people and property. On the other hand, if the installed fuse is not designed for the actual intended nominal current, the fuse can cause fires or even an explosion due to prolonged current flow in the forbidden loading area.